The importance of DNA. DNA is the genetic blueprint inside every cell in our body. It carries the instructions needed for an organism to grow, develop, survive, and reproduce. It determines our appearance, health, and how we grow and develop. From the color of our eyes to our susceptibility to certain diseases, DNA plays a crucial role. Every time a cell divides, DNA replicates itself to ensure that genetic information is passed on to new cells. But DNA is not static. It is constantly exposed to external and internal factors that can cause damage. These factors include UV radiation, chemicals, and even errors during cell division. Sources of DNA damage. DNA damage can come from many sources. For example, prolonged exposure to sunlight can damage DNA through UV radiation. Air pollution, chemicals, and even normal cellular processes can also harm DNA. While our cells face these challenges every day, fortunately, they have the ability to repair the damage. How DNA repair mechanisms work. When DNA is damaged, cells activate a series of repair mechanisms to fix the breaks. These repair methods are like repair workers that patch up the DNA. Common repair processes include fixing single-strand breaks, double-strand breaks, and in some cases, cells can exchange healthy DNA information to repair the damage. The role of key DNA repair proteins. Certain proteins play crucial roles in DNA repair. For example, p53 is known as the cellular guardian. It helps decide whether a cell can continue dividing or needs to stop and repair the DNA. BRCA1 and BRCA2 help repair double-strand breaks, ensuring that genetic information is not lost. DNA damage and disease. While cells have the remarkable ability to repair most of the damage they encounter, if these intricate repair mechanisms fail, DNA damage can accumulate over time. This gradual accumulation of damage can result in genetic mutations, which are changes in the DNA sequence. These mutations can disrupt normal cell function and lead to serious diseases, such as cancer. BOC Sciences DNA-related services. At BOC Sciences, we provide comprehensive support in the field of DNA research and repair. Our services encompass a wide range of offerings, including DNA synthesis, RNA synthesis, and advanced gene editing techniques. We strive to help researchers overcome challenges in their experiments by providing cutting-edge solutions and expert guidance. Our product lineup includes high-quality DNA repair reagents, essential tools for genetic research, and innovative technologies designed to enhance your research capabilities. BOC Sciences, supporting research and innovation. We look forward to working with you.